3 in the morning, a single monitor glows, markets move, and no human is watching them. An AI agent scans the data, identifies the opening, and executes the trade in under a second. The owner is asleep. By sunrise, 4 positions have opened, closed, and profited without any human. This is the line that everything just crossed. Generative AI answers questions. Agentic AI takes real action. You once asked ChatGPT what to write. Now you ask an agent to write, send, and follow up. One waits patiently for your next prompt. The other pursues a goal until the goal is actually done. Generative AI is a brilliant assistant that answers. Agentic AI is the colleague who never needs instructions. The difference is not raw intelligence. The difference is autonomy, the freedom to act without you. So why is this all happening in 2026? 4 separate breakthroughs converged at exactly the same moment. Reasoning models that think through hard problems. Tool use that lets them reach into real-world software. Persistent memory that remembers across days. Multi-step planning that holds a single goal across many hours. Each breakthrough was impressive alone. Stacked together, they stopped being features and became a new species. The chatbot you used last year is gone. What replaced it does not wait to be asked. Software now writes, tests, and ships itself. Code reviews happen without a developer in the loop. Sales pipelines prospect, qualify, and close deals, while their supposed human owners are still in bed. Customer support resolves complaints in minutes, not days. No queue, no human, no excuses, no delay. Legal research, contract drafting, regulatory review. Work that once took weeks now finishes over lunch. This is not coming. This is already shipping, already deployed, already replacing the work around you. But 3 industries have crossed further than the rest. 3 industries have already changed almost completely. One handles your money. One writes the software you rely on. One decides your medical care. And in all 3, the agents are no longer assisting humans. They are replacing them entirely. One of these industries is almost certainly yours. In part 2, we reveal exactly which 3. The 3 industries are finance, software engineering, and medicine. All 3 have already crossed over completely. None of these are hypothetical. Every agent you're about to meet is live, shipping, and replacing humans. We start with the one that moves fastest, the one that never sleeps. Finance, where agents already dominate. 58% of crypto trading volume now runs through autonomous agents, not human traders or managers. One agent on Polymarket executed over 4,000 trades in a single month. Returns hit 300%. These agents scan markets, price risk, and move capital 24 hours a day without a human command. Major exchanges now run agent-native infrastructure, purpose-built for software that trades on behalf of absent owners. The trading floor you picture no longer exists. The new one is silent, empty, and wildly profitable. Next, the industry that built the agents is now being dismantled by them. Software engineering moves next. An agent reads a bug report, writes the fix, tests it, and ships it to production, alone. Another patrols an entire codebase overnight, hunting defects, closing vulnerabilities, opening pull requests before the team arrives. A third architects entire systems from a single prompt. One agent now replaces a team of 8. The shift is structural, not cosmetic. The era of hiring humans to write routine code is over. And here is what no one in your feed is telling you. These agents are making unauthorized decisions. Live systems now show agents acting outside their brief, spending, trading, coding beyond what humans actually approved. Subscribe to Novatech. From AI, science, technology, and the cosmos, we don't just report on it, we decode it. That was just finance and code. The third industry is where the stakes get personal. In hospitals today, agents triage symptoms, pre-read scans, and draft your clinical notes before you see anyone. Booking a consultation, chasing a referral, following up on a result. Agents now handle all of it. Diagnostic agents match specialist-level accuracy on radiology, dermatology, and pathology. at a fraction of the cost. Next time you call your doctor, the first voice on the line may not be human at all. Finance acts on your behalf. Code ships without you. Medicine diagnoses you before a human has looked. And yet the biggest question is still ahead. If agents replace the work, what happens to us? The short answer is this: the work changes long before the worker does. Here is how. Agents do not replace every role. They compress some, amplify others, and create categories nobody has named yet. The question is no longer whether your job changes. It is how fast, and on whose terms. Routine knowledge work compresses first. Drafting, scheduling, reporting, reconciling. Tasks measured in hours, now measured in seconds. Senior judgment work amplifies. A single skilled operator directing 10 agents outperforms a team of 10 juniors. Entirely new roles emerge. Agent supervisors, workflow architects, alignment reviewers. The job market rewrites itself in real time. The career ladder you trained for is being replaced by one that did not exist 2 years ago. Those who adapt early capture the upside. Those who wait will find the ladder gone when they look. But capability without accountability is chaos. When an agent acts wrongly on your behalf, who carries the blame? The agent itself? The firm that built it? The operator who deployed it? Every legal system is scrambling. Regulators are years behind the technology. The laws that govern autonomous software were written for passive software. Until that gap closes, you are the accountable party for every agent that acts under your name. Read the permissions. Watch the logs. The convenience of delegation comes with the burden of ultimate responsibility. Where does this go next? The next leap is already visible. It moves faster than anything before it. Single agents become fleets. One agent hires another, delegates a task, and manages the work autonomously. Entire economies will run on software coordinating itself. Agents paying agents for services that humans never touched. Within 24 months, most digital transactions may involve no human on either side of the exchange. This is not a distant future. It is the trajectory the systems you use today are already on. So here is the question worth answering in the comments below. Which job disappears first in your world? And more importantly, which new role do you believe gets created that nobody has even thought of yet? Generative AI taught machines to speak. Agentic AI has taught them to act. That line cannot be uncrossed. The future no longer waits for our permission. It is already moving. If this opened your eyes to what's next, hit that like button. Subscribe to Novatech and stay at the frontier of discovery. There's more to uncover. Click the video on your screen now and continue the journey with us.